Hi guys, part 2 of the hs360e by Holy Stone. I'm Dave Dare. Thanks for coming back. Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Don't forget to check out darerchobby.com or go over to the store at Shopify through the links below or the tagged items. This drone is up for grabs today. It's going to one of you lucky viewers that commented on this video, or on the first part of this video. Excuse me. There'll be a drawing somewhere about halfway in this video, and we'll announce the winner. So good luck, everybody. Here we go. Without further ado, let's get this in the sky, do some pictures, a little video, and a return to home or two. Here we go, down into the middle. Let's do an auto takeoff. Look at how smooth. Beautiful. Very nice. hs360e, folks. Here we go. Here we go. Make sure my SD card is formatted. Sometimes you don't get the SD card formatted right and it won't do any recording or picture taking. Look at that. Well, that flies really well. It's windy today. Not super windy, but it's windy enough that it could cause problems. But not with the 360e. That's nice. Okay, let me stop it right there. Let it steady. I'm going to take a snapshot looking out into the field that way, and then I'm going to turn back here to the west, do another snapshot, but just pressing the camera button. Okay, let's press the video button, and I'm going to do a slow 360 while I have it in camera mode.
GPS mode.
Shut my amp off by accident. Touch screens. Okay, let's do a 360, a slow one, while we're doing the video. There we go. I'm going to try to go nice and slow for you guys, give you the best quality video I can. It's a gloomy day already. This does have EIS and a really nice camera, so it should be really excellent. 4K, I would assume, if not better. Okay, I'm going to stop the video, then I'm going to go ahead and switch it into sport mode, see what that's about. Nice. That's pretty zippy. Boy, it is windy. It's picking up now. Drone's doing great. Hope you guys can see this okay. Alright. Flies awesome. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and initiate the first return to home. Let me get it out here a little bit further. Return to home. Look at that. Quickly. Spins around. Very cool. Love that. On its way back. Super fast. Wow. Looks like it has a little landing light. Very cool. And keep in mind it's windy and it could blow it off course here a little bit, so that could affect the accuracy. On a calm day it may be spot on. On a windy day it may be a little off. Just to be expected. Looks really good though. There's the landing pad, there's the drone. Considering the amount of wind we've got going on here, I don't know if you can hear it in the microphone or not. Not many leaves left on the trees to gauge it by. Wow, look at that. Nice. That's a nice drone, guys. I wonder who our winner is going to be. I'm going to go ahead and hit the return to home again, so we don't have to eat too many leaves. Let's go ahead and land it completely, because that does help the accuracy if you take it all the way to the landing. So I'll land it manually here. Then we'll do one more return to home and we'll end this video. I don't want to keep you guys waiting too long to see who the winner is going to be. But be sure to stay tuned. I decided we're going to put it at the end of the video. It'll be easier for me to edit. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and down into the middle. And we're going to take off manually. Just by pressing the joystick up. It starts out slow and then it picks up speed. Once it gets up to a certain height, take a little cruise out here to the west and we'll hit our return to home. Alright, there we go.
Return home.
Return home, drone. Do what the transmitter says. Look at it coming, it's so fast. Coming back so fast. That's good. We'll get back to you before battery would die. That's a good thing. I hope you guys can see this once again. On the descend. And the wind really picked up on this one. It was pretty windy on the last one, but it's even windier on this one. Definitely blew it off course that time. Okay, let's try it one more time. If you need to stop the return in case the wind blows you off course or something like I just had, just hit the return to home button again and it'll shut it down. So you don't have to keep landing, and then you can take over the joysticks once again. Alright, there we go. Let's try it one more time. I'm going to do an auto takeoff this time. See if that makes any difference. I'm not sure why it would, but you just never know. Back out here a little ways and then we'll hit the return to home button again. Oh,
Drone low voltage.
Low voltage. Maybe it'll do its own return to home. Nope. It's just going to keep me at a certain distance probably. Okay.
Return
Nope,
home.
here it goes. It's doing a low voltage return to home. We get to see how that operates. Now remember, in return to home it does raise to a certain altitude and then it comes back, spins around and then comes down. It's to avoid obstacles. There's no obstacle avoidance on these, so you're in control. If it looks like it's going to hit something, hit the return to home button again and stop it, and then take control of the sticks again and steer it out of harm's way. Would be my best advice. It looks like we're looking good on our accuracy again there. The wind calmed down. We're gonna say that was to blame, seeing how it was so gusty and so windy when it happened. And it's accurate again this time. Boy, that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it on down. We're back within range of the landing pad. I'm gonna go ahead and take over so I can actually land it on the pad. Go ahead and do another auto land. Very cool. Nice drone, guys.
Drone low voltage.
Okay, well, remember to stay tuned for the drawing to see who wins. Let's pick our winner. The drawing will start as soon as the counter runs out, and we will soon know who won the 360E. The hs360e, that is. Alright. At hwolf612, you are our winner. Congratulations to our winner. You guys, once again, happy Thanksgiving. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching my channel. Appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.